Welcome back to Terrific 2. In this video, you're going to be learning how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First, I want you to find the center, every single color. In the middle represents the side that's going to be, so I'm not really that good to move it. So, first, I want you to solve a white cross. Sorry, I'm coughing when you get that. These pieces, that's like this. It's going to have to get like that on every single side. How to do that is you do a special move with your right hand, which is up with your right hand, left with your left hand, down with your right hand, and back right with your left hand, and then you go back up to get it back. And then if it's still not there, you keep moving right till you get it. And to check, you just move it. If it's not there, you do it again. And when you get it, I want you to flip it the whole cube over. And now, find the corners with the white piece, like this one. And now, I want you to find the pieces that it's inside. Like, see, there's blue and red for the other colors, blue and red. And now, find the colors that it has on it and put it in the middle. Then, how to do it is you keep doing a special move with your right hand, which is up, left, down, up, left, down, right. That's it. Up, left, down, right. That's it. Then you keep doing that with all of them. And then when you get it, all of them, and then we'll move on to the first layer. The second layer. That was the first layer. Now, I want you to find, so yellow is actually not a color in a Rubik's Cube. Till the very, did I already tell you about I'm coughing? Okay, so I want you to find a color, not yellow though. And I want you to move it so that it matches up with the top. And then the one on top, I want you to move it away from the color that it has. And then I want you to, how to do it is you go up, you go left, then down, then back, and then with your right hand. So if it's on the left side, you do it with your right hand first, the special move, then left hand, which is left hand up, right with your left hand, down with your left hand, and then back with your right hand. So then I want you to keep doing it, keep doing that till you get the whole thing, till you get the whole last layer. Oh, and if they get inside these cracks, how to do it is you do the same thing, but just like when it's here, when it's in these cracks. When you get that, I want you to find the yellow. Now, yellow is a color on the Rubik's Cube. And now, I want you to find these gaps, and I want you to move it up on those gaps, then go up, go with your special move, and then go back down. And keep doing that in those gaps. And once you get that, I want you to go, you need to get all of these with this. So how to do that is you go up, left, down, left, back up, right, right, down. And then you keep doing that and it stays in place. And once you get all of them like this, I want you to move on to the next step. I'll wait a while. I'll wait for like 10 seconds. Na 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 na. It been 5, 6, 8, 7, 9, 10. And now, now we need to put one piece in here. How to do that is, if it's like this, with this missing, I want you to move it 2 away from that, so that it's on the back of you. And then you go left, then up, then right, then left up, back, then back, and then get that in. And then it would be like this. But if it's not, then it's just like one of these. You do it again with one away facing you, with the other one on your right side, not on your left side. And you do it again. Then you have this. Then you flip the cube over again, so that the white's on the top. And now it's the last step. Find these yellow pieces and now the second one is going to be on your left. And if it's not like that, I want you to keep doing it till you have the same thing, but just with 3. If it's like with this piece, and then it skips this one, skips this one, that means it'll be in this one. I want you to do the same thing, but just skip that one. And how to do it is you do the special move a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do it 15 times. Then you move left. Then you move right with your left hand on the top. Then you move it. And then the next time it's going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you just finish it off by moving it. And it's solved. And that's how you solve a 3x3 Rubiks Cube. And if this didn't work, I want you to either try again one more time, or you can find a different video on YouTube. Bye.